Alright guys, Monday 14th, I've got nothing on my radar. To be honest, I wanted maybe GILL. Here, I'll turn this off because we'll have J on. I had GILL and I also had, where are you?
Okay, open. NVIDIA.
This one here. But it touched the 1,000, like my final target, so technically it should be out of play.
Let's see if we can have a push to 8. Right now, rejecting the J lines here. You see pop and fill the J lines over here.
Same thing for here, I guess.
On SAVA.
So really nothing today.
Not trading this short, okay? Not trading weakness. Want to see an extension and stuff if I want to trade it. Otherwise, nothing. All out on NVIDIA. Let's have a big fight over here between 690 and 7. We're gonna analyze this this tape. For now, what you see over here is only a pop and fill the 1 minute J lines and VWAP. Okay.
Technically, this should go here. I'm just gonna put a line.
Block trades over here. You can see some big reds.
It's gonna bounce here.
The more you will see these reds above 3,000 shares block size, the better. Over here now we have greens.
Can I
so
pull
what
up
you see is not like
Jay's,
all red printing. NVIDIA dipped 1 minute J lines and push.
Here. So you can see how bookmap works with SAVA. But you can't see level 2, so I'll scoot this over just a tad. See nice big resistance here.
Careful traders because TOS is a little bit behind.
Boom. Yeah, it is, eh? Look at that.
Again, J lines and VWAP rejection, but high risk over here, not trading, still waiting.
Let's see what this. Okay, rejection, and this is gonna be like my final target here. So,
Big push NVIDIA
short
going
what
530.
133, target 125. We're talking what 6-7 cents. So it could go lower, but I mean, I wanted this up into here, but technically it touched the 1,000, so it was off my radar.
730.
And let's just go see GILL. GIL came close, you know, where. Again, sub $1 stock. I was hoping to get this up into here, but
1 million.
just looking here.
So this is what means a soak, 750 soak. For scalpers, you can short right away the rejection 740, risking that 750. Personally, still waiting.
Gonna bring SAVA up on a tick chart, just give you an idea. Yeah, no low here. Yeah, oof. Nice trend crack there.
And another rejection, J lines and VWAP. When they trade together, beautiful setup.
Oof,
NVIDIA main support 521, 5.
It's gonna bounce off here. This minus 27. Okay.
So look the huge amount of reds that we have now on the block trading tape.
You've seen cracks minus 27. It's gonna flush here too. I just like that.
So in about 3 minutes, we traded 9 millions over here, almost 9 millions on SAVA. Now a bunch of green.
Oh, look at that. Oh, shit.
Pixel off over here.
It was there. I didn't plot anything out here. Just saying. Just
A
saying.
lot of big players, traders on SAVA. We don't have only one player, okay?
Did Toad do? Nothing. What did PTI do? Nothing. What did... no, that wasn't that one, sorry. Whoa. Did pop.
So remember last time, we had the push between 9:45 and 10:30 on SAVA, okay? So only remember.
Oh, damn. Pop and fail. 32. It's going to come down into this section here.
NVIDIA bounce 1 minute J lines. Watch. $6.50 breakdown.
Okay. Hey Dario, yeah, I know it's Trading View and also TC2000. I could have put an alert at let's just like 660 or 670. to get my attention before. Like you don't have it go at 680 where the reversal level was, but I think TOS does too. But what I really liked about TC2000 is that when you put in your phone number, it'll text you, and also TradingView as well. It'll text you. So we could have used that, but I mean, I was just looking at SAVA. I was looking at two other tickers here too, but it was okay. I had no intentions of taking anything today. I had nothing really set up.
Thank you,
I had CHNR, but it touched the 1,000. That's like final target, so it's kind of dangerous shorting something that's touching like our final target. But it did go to the minus 38 and failed. But I'm just sitting, listening to Jay, drinking Nespresso.
Flag pattern over here, bear flag formation on SAVA, possible continuation to the downside. Nvidia curling up again, traders. Decent volume over here. The only red flag, we are too far from the J lines, and I cannot long over here. I'm looking for a longer consolidation.
Still, I mean, it's starting to pick up a bit. At least we're getting some like movement during pre-market. But until we, I want to see like our piggies. What's that ticker I was looking at? Yeah, the CHNR and also the LLIJ. Was it? I know it's a lower price stocks. These are my niche plays like for the gap and crap. So, but they kind of failed before the bell. And SAVA this morning was just too violent. I don't like tickers like that.
Another bear flag over here, break to the downside. Let's see if flush to 640 now. Resistance, micro resistance as at 685. Nvidia still lateral over here, so waiting. Seems a big accumulation, right? Holding support, holding J lines, holding VWAP, consolidating over here. Lows coming, 640s on the SAVA. Tape over here you can see, blocks all red, right? And there we are. So remember, it's in all this time, you were asking me of inside bars. This is again, this bar over here, inside bar of this and this. You see the volume, how we get lower comparing to this one? So that's a volume contraction, like we saw before. A trend line break and out of this range of inside bars. Okay, that's the purpose for me of using them. Breakout of NVIDIA. Okay, buddy, is it clear? Okay.
XRT. VXRT.
I'm personally not in SAVA over here. Maybe Carfield Charlie took pop and fill V weapon J lines. I mean, probably yes. Still more reds on the tape. Nice Charlie, nice. And over here, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. We have the 3-minute J lines, okay? So often from this here, we have a consistent bounce. Okay?
See it bounce here? Well, just looking. I'm not trading it. Actually, my broker is off. Did this purposely to not get involved in any FOMO trading, I guess. And I'm just actually watching. This is nice. Really love seeing this. Back into the golden zone, fail, down. Nice setup here. With this nice reversal in the golden zone. Boom, down. Let's see. I'm not trading it. Broker's off. I'm just watching it.
Careful breakout of this curl. See over here in sidebar breakout. See the volume, a little bit more green.
What I usually do is then we'll just take a trend line and just see how this goes. Typically I like to see it three ways. So right shoulder, head, crack, retest, down. Volume is
Almost 40 million volume trade.
600K here. Well, well, I just brought the goal, well, the swing high from that 675, brought it down to the lowest wick in the J lines, and my golden zone is there, 639 to 650. Roscoe, hello. Hello. Hello.
Breakdown, J lines 3 minutes over here, 620. Oh, often from this area, we have a bounce. If we have a bounce, pop and fail of this VWAP in J lines, I will show.
My golden zone is different because I left my 100%, excuse me, my 0% here.
Exactly, buddy. Exactly. Thank you, bro.
Spike that I took this morning and never touch it anymore. And I love it because the minus 27 is absolutely perfect. You see? So I just leave it like this, but my golden zone is at $6. You see? So my golden zone is
NVIDIA consolidating on the support 528.
Okay, so what I do is I take,
Sterling
I
over here,
pin
but
it here,
still side
bring it
lines.
down to here, and then I want to see this here pop into the golden zone, reject it, and down.
okay, so what I do is
614, new low.
See, so it just broke out. So the next level that we'd be looking into is this little red supply zone up here. If we break that supply zone, it's done. So, but see, we got less volume. Well, here, this is the only spike that we had, but we were getting less and less and less volume, and this thing was just like grinding, grinding, grinding. So, just keeping an eye on it. See how it reacts with my fibs. Just practicing.
200 over here is hard. So they stack over here, support 610 on SAVA of this bid. Okay, sold it now. But all this area, 620, big support. the XRT second day. We're looking pre-market for a push, stuff, then holds over here, J lines. You see it starts curling. And move to the upside.
Look how it gets so ballistic up here in this red zone here. Level 2 going crazy. We got sellers in, we got buyers in, we got algos in. Also using TradingView here too, which is kind of neat. So we'll see how that goes. Look how it gets so ballistic up here in this red. Okay, well I guess we'll be shutting her down soon. Let's see what our tickers did. So I'm gonna snapshot this, put it on my archives. Whoa, max, I like to. Whoa, that breakout.
Yeah, brother, it's pushing.
Yeah,
Still holding my swing.
same level as again, minus 27, extension. How do I see? I create those lines which they work so sort of way on this line wave. I think it's
The XRT traders, let it go. Still not short, okay? Second day holding, no setup over here.
it's one EMA.
On Tesla, always look, brother, where you are on the hourly. That's the first important thing to look
So when I see
for trading big caps. And you can see that we are below pre-market high and below Friday high. And we have a big resistance 390. Seems a pretty good accumulation. Seems a dip, wash, and reclaim. So over here, this is a good long swing setup to add 385, 390. Okay.
Hey, baby. Stop barking. And this should go technically to here. Whoa. This thing's just cruising. She's done. There's literally no pop. I don't know why, what the whole stress was about that ticker. Oh,
Oracle died.
if you can see here,
Beautiful, Matt. Welcome back, brother. Beautiful. At this point, SAVA traders, two possibility, or fades down to 450, 460, 200 GMA on the 5 minutes, or gives us a pop, ideally 7, 710, short. More green.
CHNR. It's going to categorize CHN.
Lows coming.
Whoops.
Going to 6 again. And still you see traders, we don't see red blocks coming. Small now, but it's green, red. This is the most important support of your chart. The most important.
All right, going to close my screen share here. Have a good one. See you tomorrow.